Hello. So this question is about conservation of kinetic energy and the momentum. So let's go through all the possible answers. So for the first part, it says that when the kinetic energy of a body does not change, then its momentum does not change. So A is not true. Okay, because when you have a circular motion, if the speed is constant, the kinetic energy is constant, but the direction is always changing in the circular motion. So that's going to change the momentum because momentum is a vector quantity, so it has magnitude and direction. So if the direction changes, the momentum will change. Okay, so A is not correct. So B says that as the momentum of a body changes, its kinetic energy must also change. So that is